Hello students, in this video we are going to see about the trigonometric identities. Already in my previous videos I have two videos for introduction to trigonometry and I have posted two videos for applications of trigonometry. Kindly go through all the four videos. This is only for trigonometric identities. I have given the list of formulae and based on that formula we are going to do some MCQ problems alone, not detailed question answers. This is just MCQs, one word problems, okay? So I list out the trigonometric identities, that is formulae which you have to study. This is the very basic formula. Sin squared plus cos squared is equal to 1. Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. And from that we can reduce. When we take the sin squared in the left side and taking cos squared to the other side, sin squared is equal to 1 minus cos squared, or we can keep this in the left side and take the sin value to the other side. Cos squared is equal to 1 minus sin squared, okay? So which is equal to, even this can be written, even though we can rewrite this as 1 can be written as 1 squared minus cos squared theta. So a squared minus b squared is a plus b, that is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. We can rewrite in this way also. And the second term what we have is cos squared is 1 minus sin squared. Similarly 1 minus sin squared can be written as 1 squared minus sin squared. So it is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. So we have different relations from this. This is the base. From that we have reduced number 1, number 2, and this is number 3, and this is number 4. Okay. Now the second one is 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. So secant square theta, take this tan square theta to the other side. So secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Or else take this 1 to the other side. Secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So this is the base. From that we have reduced number 1 and number 2. Now come to the third one. 1 plus cos square theta equal to cosecant square theta. So cosecant square theta minus cos squared is equal to 1, or cosecant square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. This also can be written as cosecant squared minus cot squared, that is a squared minus b squared. So it is cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1, a plus b into a minus b formula. This is cosecant squared minus 1 equal to cot squared. 1 can be written as 1 squared. Therefore, it can be written as cosecant theta plus 1 into cosecant theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. So, from this we got 1, 2, 3, 4 relations. Okay. Now, secant squared minus tan squared equal to 1. This. The same method we can expand. Secant theta plus tan theta, secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. This is what we got here. The same thing. And this is what we got now. No, secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. Keep this in the left side. Bring this term to the other side. So divided by 1 divided by this term. So 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. This is number 1. Or else I can keep this in the left side. I can bring down this to the other side. So secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. Now this is also we got in the previous term. Similarly we can rewrite this. Keep this in the left side. Bring down this, or keep this, bring down this. So number 1 and number 2. And we know that tan A equal to, or tan theta, both are anything. Tan A equal to sin A by cos A. Cot A equal to the inverse of this. So cos A by sin A. The first problem, the value of cosecant theta plus 1 by cot square theta is equal to what? So we'll start. The value of cos square theta plus 1 by 1 plus cot square theta is, so cos square theta plus 1 by 1 plus cot square theta is equal to, what is 1 plus cot square theta? 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. So we are going to substitute that. Cos square theta plus 1 by cosecant square theta. 1 by cosecant square theta. We know that sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, or cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. So both are inverse to each other. Okay, so from this we can rewrite this as cosecant square theta plus 1 by, I'm sorry, I'm repeatedly saying this as cosecant square. No, it is not cosecant square, it is cos square theta. Cos square theta plus 1 by cosecant theta the whole square. In the denominator only we have the square, but in the numerator we have 1. 1 can be represented as 1 squared because both are same only, no, 1 squared and 1. So I am rewriting in this way. So cosecant cos theta, cos square theta, I'm sorry, cos square theta plus this is sin square theta. So cos square plus sin square is 1. So the answer for this problem is 1, which is B. Now come to the next one. The second problem given is the value of 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos square theta. So we are going to find, there is a lengthy expansion and we are going to simplify and find out what is the answer. So I am going to write what is given. 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cot square theta. So this is secant square theta and this is cosecant square theta. We can combine this using the formula a plus b, a minus b. So it is a squared minus b squared. Similarly, this also combined as a plus b, a minus b. So it is a squared minus b squared. 1 minus 1 squared is 1. 1 minus sin squared is cos squared. 1 squared is 1. 1 minus cos squared is sin squared into cosecant square theta. Secant squared is 1 by cos squared. So this cos squared and this squared will get cancelled. Cosecant squared is 1 by sin squared. So this and this will get cancelled. Finally, we are getting the answer as 1. So the value of the lengthy expression, what we are getting is 1. And the third problem, 1 plus tan A minus secant A, 1 plus tan A plus secant A. Take this as A and this as B. So A, B. So A plus B, A minus B. What is the formula? A squared minus B squared. A squared means 1 plus tan A the whole squared, because in the place of A we have a term 1 plus tan A, minus secant squared A. What is the formula for A plus B the whole squared? A squared plus B squared plus 2AB. A plus B the whole squared is equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. So 1 squared plus 2 into 1 into tan A plus tan squared A minus secant squared A. Okay, so which is equal to 1 plus tan squared is secant squared A plus 2 into, this is 2 tan A minus secant squared A. This term and this term will get cancelled. So finally we are getting the answer is 2 tan A. That is option number 1. So this is 2 into tan A. Option A is the answer. The next problem what we are having is given cos A equal to 3 by 5, and we are going to find what is 9 plus 9 into tan squared A. Both are having 9 common, so I can take it outside. 1 plus tan squared. 1 plus tan squared is secant squared. Am I right? So secant squared. Secant squared is 1 by cos squared. Am I right? Secant squared is 1 by cos squared. cos A is 3 by 2. So 1 by cos A equal to cos A is 3 by 5. 1 by cos A is 5 by 3. So 9 into square of this. Am I right? So 5 by 3 the whole square, which is 9. 25 by 9. 9 and 9 we can cancel. So answer here is 25. It is option number C. The next problem is tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to what? We have 4 options. Okay. So given is tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta. Both are having tan square common. So tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. Actually here tan square theta is balanced and here 1 is balanced. Tan square plus 1. I have rewrite that term as 1 plus tan square. What is 1 plus tan square? It is secant square theta. And tan square 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. So tan squared theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. So for tan squared we can write as secant square theta minus 1, and outside we have secant square theta. So when we multiply, it is secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. Secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. So the answer for this is secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. Clear? The next problem given is tan square theta by 1 plus tan square plus cot square theta by 1 plus cot square is equal to what? We know that 1 plus tan square is secant square theta and this is cosecant square theta. So it is tan squared by secant squared, that is 1 by secant square theta plus cot squared into 1 by cosecant square theta. 1 by secant squared is cos theta. 1 by cosecant squared is sin theta. So it is sin squared cos squared. So tan squared can be written as sin squared by cos squared into cos square theta plus, and this is cos squared by sin squared into sin square theta. So after cancellation we are getting sin squared plus cos squared, which is 1. So the answer is 1. The next problem is if sin theta plus cos theta is root 2, we are going to find what is tan theta plus cot theta. Given sin theta plus cos theta is root 2, squaring both sides. So what we get? Sin theta plus cos theta the whole square is equal to root 2 the whole square. This is a plus b formula. A plus b the whole square. So a sin squared plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos squared equal to root 2 the whole square is 2. Adding these two we are getting 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is 2. Bring this 1 to the other side. So 2 sin theta cos theta is 2 minus 1, which is 2 sin theta cos theta is 1. So we got 2 sin theta cos theta as 1. Now we have to find tan theta plus cot theta, which can be written as sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. Taking the LCM, sin theta cos theta, then sin has to be multiplied here. Sin into sin, it is sin squared. Cos has to be multiplied here. Cos into cos, cos squared. Sin squared plus cos squared is 1. And sin theta cos theta we got as sin theta cos theta is equal, this is 1, and sin theta cos theta from here we have to calculate. We got 2 sin theta cos theta as 1, no. So sin theta cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So we are going to substitute here, which is equal to, the numerator is 1 by denominator is 1 by 2. So taking the inverse, the answer is 2. So the answer is 2. The next problem is cosecant minus sine, secant minus cos, tan plus cot. So cosecant can be written as 1 by sine minus sine. Secant minus cos, secant can be written as 1 by cos minus cos. And tan can be written as sine by cos, cot is cos by sine. Taking the LCM, 1 minus sine squared, multiplying this sine squared by sine theta, and here LCM is cos, so 1 minus cos squared theta, and here the LCM is sine theta cos theta. So we have to multiply this side and this side. Sine squared plus cos squared. This is 1. 1 minus sine squared is cos squared theta. 1 minus cos squared is sine squared theta by sine theta cos theta into 1 by sine theta cos theta. Sine theta sine theta sine squared, we can cancel this too. Cos theta cos squared, we can cancel. So finally the answer is 1. The next problem is sine power 4 minus cos power 4 theta plus 1 into cosecant square theta. This can be written as sine square theta the whole square minus cos square theta the whole square plus 1 into cosecant square theta. This is A and this is B. So A squared minus B squared is equal to A plus B, A minus B. So A plus B means sine square theta plus cos square theta into sine square theta minus cos square theta plus 1 into cosecant square theta. This is 1. This plus 1. So sine squared minus cos squared plus 1 into cosecant square theta. When we combine these two, 1 minus squared, it is sine squared. So sine squared plus sine squared into cosecant square theta. This is 2 sine square theta into cosecant squared is 1 by sine square theta. We can cancel. Answer is 2. So 2 is the answer for this problem. And the last problem what we have is cot squared minus 1 by sine squared. Cot squared can be written as cos squared by sine squared minus 1 by sine squared. Both are having sine squared as the common LCM. So sine squared, cos squared minus 1. We have sine squared plus cos squared equal to 1, right? We take this to the other side. So cos squared minus 1 equal to minus sine squared. Taking 1 to this side, so it is minus 1. Taking sine to the other side, it is minus sine. So cos squared minus 1 is minus sine squared by sine squared. Cancellation. Finally, we are having minus 1. So the answer for this problem is minus 1. So that's all MCQs. In this description box now I'll post some exercise problems. These are the problems I will post. You try these problems. The answers also I'll post. Check your answers. Thank you.